If you think you need a huge following, a massive audience, or years of experience to make money in 2026 online, this video is going to change exactly how you see digital income, okay? Let me say this clearly. Big courses are literally no longer the move. In 2026, the real money is being made by AI-powered micro offers. Small digital products that solve one specific problem fast. All right? And the wild part of it is most creators are still overbuilding, over teaching, over complicating the whole thing. Meanwhile, people with the simplest offers are making sales every single day, like clockwork. Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be breaking down what micro AI offers are. Okay, exactly why they outperform traditional courses, how to create one using AI that you can get started on today. Okay, and where to sell them. And that's why it works. It works even if you're starting from zero. Okay? So stay with me. And before we get into this, if you never met me before, hi guys, I am Coach Jerika, and I help beginners and creators build digital assets, monetize their social medias online with simple systems, okay? Building their digital asset, creating it one time, getting paid over and over again. And today I'm going to break down exactly how to create AI powered micro offers that you can sell daily in 2026. So let's get into it. All right. So, what are micro offers, you ask? Like, what are they really, right? They are small digital product designed to solve one problem, built for speed, clarity. The world is moving fast right now. People want speed, clarity, and action. Okay? Straight to the point. No need for a 10 module course. No need for no long coaching program, right? You don't have to overthink the process. And you do not need a 150, 200 page ebook. We keep it super simple. So I want you to think of it like you can create something of a checklist, a template, a guide, some prompts that you can pack together in a bundle, a short guide. We keep it super simple. Okay? Keeping it super simple will keep you paid. All right? Just remember that. It will keep you paid. People don't want more information. They overloaded with information. People are giving information every single day in the online space. They want relief. They want a shortcut to their desired result. And you're going to do that by creating a micro offer, a short offer. That's how we're going to look at it, a micro. Okay? They want something that's going to make them say, oh my God, I needed this, right? That's exactly what I need. Let me grab that today. All right? So why does why does micro offers beat courses? Courses fail, not all of them, but let me just tell you, because everybody thinks they got to go out here and create a course. Courses fail because it's too much content. People don't have time. And listen, people not even making time for it these days. Because, I always like to say people make time for what they want, but they're not even making time to go and look at these courses anymore. They're going to purchase the course and they just sit on it. Nobody's getting the results. I've seen it happen too many times. Too much content, too much time, too much pressure. All right. Micro courses win because of the simple fact is low friction, fast results. They get a clear outcome. Okay. So cold traffic doesn't want to cut, like a commitment. Because they got a different thing. You got cold traffic, warm traffic, and hot traffic. Okay. But they want proof. They want proof. Like, let me get straight to it. They want action. They want fast. This is 2026 and this is how we move it. Fast. Everybody wants that. Okay. And micro offers creates that trust, that momentum, and that confidence. All right. So that's exactly what people want these days. You do not have to go out there and create a whole course to make this happen in your life. All right. So why AI changed everything? AI is changing the game. Okay. AI is taking over. Before AI, we had to figure out what to do, how to create it, how to get it done. It took weeks. It took weeks to finally put the ebook or whatever the digital asset was. It took weeks to do that. Okay. People got stuck on where do I start? Oh my God. Like I started, but I don't know how to finish this thing. I remember these steps, but I don't know how to finish. When AI came, AI removed all the creator's block, the writer's block, the guesswork, the overthinking. AI helps you brainstorm, beautiful people. AI helps you create outlines. It does all the heavy lifting for you. All the heavy lifting. Structure, pricing, everything. It helps you build your prompts, all that good stuff. So AI is taking over. But here's the truth. AI doesn't replace the strategy now. Without a framework, people still get stuck. Okay? People still get stuck without a framework. So if you don't have a framework, it's not gonna happen. It's gonna be all over the place. You're gonna be just typing everything, doing everything. So I just want to say this. I need to say this. If you've been watching this and you thinking already, like, oh my God, this makes sense. This is absolutely true, but still don't know like how to put it all together on your own. That's exactly why I created my Freedom Formula. Freedom Formula is for people who are done watching free content and want a clear step-by-step system for building that real digital asset, okay, the right way. I'll explain more at the end of the video. It's all good. But if you want a full framework, I teach my students exactly how to do so. How to let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting, how they get their digital assets out there and start making money in their sleep. The link will be in the description down below or in the pinned comment. So let's keep going, okay? Just want to throw that out there for you. So to create a micro offer, you're going to need to do these steps right here. I'm going to do it. I'm going to lay it plain and simple for you. Because you remember I told you we keep it super simple. We use the KISS method here. We keep it super simple. So we're going to choose that one problem. What can you help someone with? Can you help them lose weight within a timely fashion? Can you help them fix their credit within that time frame, within a certain time frame? Choose the one problem, not a niche, not your life story. Okay? One problem that your audience wants to solve right now. All right. So examples like, let me see, like if you know how to, if somebody's asking you about meal prepping or juicing or something of that nature, if they don't know how to launch or if they don't know how to create their digital asset, then this would be something that you would help them with. That one problem that your audience is already looking for. Okay. So clarity beats creativity every single time. That's what I want you to understand. All right. Pick step 2. You will pick the simplest. We keep it super simple. So you would keep the simplest formats. I want you to ask yourself, what is the fastest way that I can help them? What is the fastest way that I can help them get the results? You can put it in a checklist. You can put it in a template. You can put it in a step-by-step guide. You can record a little short video explaining something. Now that can be a step-by-step training. It could be something just simple because we want simple. We keep it super simple. If it takes weeks, it's too big. If it takes weeks to get it together, to put it together, you're doing too much. All right? Keep it super simple and see. This year is a season of execution. We're not going to overthink the process. We're not going to just keep like, oh my God, I can't get it out. And did it just be that simple? Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. That's where people stay stuck, overcomplicating things, trying to keep up with everybody or watch what everybody's doing. Keep it super simple. Then we'll go on to step 3, my love, where you would use AI to do all the heavy lifting. You're going to use AI to build it for you. Okay? You're going to use it to help you with your audience, help you with your problem, help you with your outcome that you're going to give to your audience, to your person, right? AI speeds up the execution because this is the season of execution. AI does that. It speeds it up for you so you're not waiting weeks and months trying to get something completed that can literally be done in no time with AI. Okay? You're going to provide the direction. AI is going to help you execute it. Speed. How they say it, money loves speed. AI is going to help you to do that in this season of execution, okay? So Then step 4, you're going to package it. That's not hard at all. Okay, you're going to package it cleanly. Clean title, ChatGPT is going to help you with that. AI is going to help you with that. Clear promise, boom. Clear next step, and boom, there you go. It's completed. It's clear. You're going to put it inside of Canva. Get you a template, put it inside, put all the things that the outline from AI has given you, and now you are packaging your digital asset. Okay? Because confusion kills conversions. Like a confused audience will never buy. Just telling you. If they're confused, if you don't have a clear title, a clear promise, a clear next step, they'll never buy. It's just gonna be sitting there. Okay? But AI will help you do all that. So please do not overcomplicate it. Imperfect action equals sales. So when it comes to pricing, all right, because that would be something that you will have to think about after you complete those steps. Then you go inside of your pricing, but AI is going to help you with that as well. Your micro offers is not about the ego pricing. It don't have to be $1,000 for you to make money. Okay, they're about you getting speed, keeping it super simple, and volume. That goal is momentum. Like you're gonna price it how you see fit. Whenever you go and put it inside of your AI, whatever you're using, I use ChatGPT, but if you're using like Gemini or some other sort, some other type like DeepSeek or something, then just make sure AI will help you price your thing. It will help you price your digital asset. All right, so don't overcomplicate that as well, and don't think that it needs to be $1 million or 200 pages. I gotta keep repeating that because some of you like get stuck in that area of like how much I'm gonna charge for this thing. If you charge between $7 to $47, that's a win-win because that's something that people do not even have to think twice about. That's throwaway money. Okay, so price it, and then AI will help you price it as well. Okay. So your first product does not need to be perfect. Like I said, imperfect action equals sales. It just needs to be finished and live, ready to go. Then where you'll go and sell this is on your social media platforms. You do not need to run ads. You do not need any fancy tech skills. You do not need any fancy funnels, right? You do not need a big old website. I teach all my students how to utilize the all-in-one creators platform, which is Stan. I'll put that down in the description down below as well, where you can utilize that. That is going to be a digital store, and you can literally use Stan Store to host your digital product, collect your payments and all that good stuff. Okay, you can get started with a 14-day free trial. Down below, I'll put it down in the chat for you so you can get started. It is other options out there, love bugs. They have Beacon, Gumroad, System.io. You got Linktree. Did I say Linktree? Yeah, I think I got that right. Or was it LinkedIn? Oh my God, one of them. Okay, but you are going to keep it super simple. You're going to need that simple product page. Don't overthink it. You can use Stripe as well. That content that you're going to put out is going to all lead to that one offer. Where attention is, the money follows. If nobody don't know about your offer, it would never happen. Okay? So that content that you put out with or without showing your face is literally going to point to that one offer that you and AI created. All right. Now you're going to share it on all social media platforms because one platform is too close to none, just like one income is too close to none. You're going to take it, put it on YouTube Shorts, put it on TikTok, put it on Instagram, put it on Facebook. It all works. One problem, one product, one link. Okay. That's all you need. And why is it so perfect for beginners? Like, I think it's so perfect for beginners because of the simple fact that this is how they build their confidence. You know, they get a little sale here and there. I started out selling a $7.99 product. That was my first digital product in the online space at the beginning of my journey. And it made me feel like the richest woman alive. I'm just being honest. It made me feel like the richest woman because I was like, oh my God, I sold my first actual product that I created using AI online. And I just made my first sale. Okay, so that feeling is amazing if you never felt that before. So for beginners, I feel like it's just like you got to start doing instead of just watching. You can build that confidence from that because now you're making sales, even if it's little sales and it's leading up. You can make a lot of little sales a day. I just want you to remember that. Okay, so micro offers builds the belief. It creates the proof. You get what I'm saying? To let you know that this is possible. And it funds bigger goals. If you want to go and create something else, then now it will fund what else you want to create. Okay? Because most people, let me just tell you, let me be honest with you. Most people quit because they wait too long to get started. So don't be that person. Go out here and get started. Do what needs to be done to create that income in 2026. Okay? If you're watching this after, go and create it at this present moment. All right? If you're ready to stop overthinking and actually start building your first digital asset, this is where I help you take action. Inside of my Freedom Formula, I walk you through step by step on exactly what it is to get it created, the structuring, the launching your digital product with AI, using AI, okay? Even if you're starting at zero, even if you never did this before, all right? This is not just another free video. This is a system, all right? So if you want access to it, click the link in the description down below or in the pinned comments to learn more about the Freedom Formula. I'm super excited for you for just taking this time out and being with me. And if you found this video help you in any way, shape, or form, make sure you like it, subscribe, and comment micro down below so I can know that you're ready to build and step into this execution season in 2026 and beyond. Okay? I'll see you inside.